Hi students, class 10 example sum 2.29. In an AP, sum of 4 consecutive terms is 28. Sum of 4 consecutive terms is 28 and their sum of their squares is 276. Find the numbers. So first we know the 4 consecutive terms. We know that 4 consecutive terms are a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d. This is the 4 consecutive term. So now the first condition is when we adding all these 4 consecutive terms we get 28. That is first condition, right? Or sum of the 4 consecutive terms, we can use that any words. So a minus 3d plus a minus d plus a plus d plus a plus 3d is equal to 28. That is the actual given question. Now here we add that a and the d terms. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 times of a, right? And then d, here we have minus d, here we have plus d, right? Can we cancel this plus d and minus d? And then plus 3d and minus 3d will be cancelled. So 4a is equal to 28. Then a is equal to 28 divided by 4 is equal to 7. So the a value is equal to 7. Now we want to know what is the value of d, right? So by the second condition is given. What is the second condition? Sum of their squares is 276. When we square this all term and add that, we get 276 is the answer. So a minus 3d whole square plus a minus d whole square plus a plus d whole square plus a plus 3d whole square is equal to 276. That is the given, right? And just apply that a minus b whole square formula and a plus b whole square formula. Here a square minus 6ad plus 9d square, a square minus 2ab plus b square, right? Here also a square minus 2ad plus d square. Here a square plus 2ad plus d square. Here we get a square plus 6ad plus 9d square equal to 276. That is given, right? Now how many a square is there? 1, 2, 3 and then 4. 4a square. Here minus 6d and plus 6ad, right, will be cancelled. Here 2ad will be cancelled. Now add the d value only. Here 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 1 11, 11 plus 9 20. D square is equal to 276, right? Now you apply in the place of a is equal to 7. 4 into 7 square plus 20 d square is equal to 276. 7 square is 49. 49 into 4. 49 into 4. 4 9s are 36, 6 remainder 3, 16, 19. So 196 plus 20 d square is equal to 276. We want to find out the value of d only. So 20 d square is equal to, I take this value to this side, 276 minus 196 is equal to 0. 17 minus 8 is 8. So 80. Then 20 d square is equal to 80. D square is equal to 80 divided by 20 is equal to 4. Then d is equal to plus or minus 2. When we square we get plus or minus 2 is the value. Here we know the d value and already we have find out what is the a value. Now you apply it in the 3 consecutive terms, right? A minus 3d, a minus d, we can find the value, right? In this term, we have to apply the value. If A is equal to 7 and D is equal to, I take first A is equal to 7, D is equal to, suppose 2 means what I have to apply? I take first positive value and then another negative value. So A is equal to 7 minus 3 into 2, comma 7 minus 2, comma 7 plus 2, comma 7 plus of 3 into 2. Right? 7 minus 6 is 1. 5, 7 plus 2 is 9, 6 plus 3 is 13, right? And then A is equal to 7 and D is equal to minus 2 means just write the given value in another order or reverse order, that is the value you get that. So directly we can write, or otherwise put it here, A is 7 minus 3 into minus 2, comma 7 minus of minus 2, comma 7 plus of minus 2, right? D is equal to minus 2 is the value, right? Comma 7 plus of 3 into minus 2. Here minus into minus plus, 7 plus 13, 7 plus 6 equal to 13. Here minus into minus plus, 7 plus 2 is 9. And then 7 plus into minus is minus, 7 minus 2 is 5. Here minus 6 plus 7 is equal to 1. So the value should be reversed. When you apply the plus value, we get one value, means when you give the negative value means just reverse the what you have find before, that is the 4 consecutive terms of the AP. Thank you, students. Okay, next to see the example sum 2.30. A mother divides 207 rupees into 3 parts such that the amount are in AP, right? The amount is given us in the form of AP and gives it to her 3 children. The product of the 2 least amount that the children had 4623, 4623. Find the amount received by each children. First we have to find out what are the amount, right? So we use 3 consecutive terms to find the value. Let's take the 3 consecutive terms are A minus D, A plus D is the 3 consecutive term. By the given condition, sum of these 3, right? A plus D is equal to 207 rupees the mother had. We have to distribute the terms. So if we add this here, A means we have 3A and D plus D and minus D will be cancelled. 3A is equal to 207 and then A is equal to 207 divided by 3. 3 6 are 18 and then 27, 3 9 are. So A is equal to 69 is the amount. First we have to find out that, and then we have to find out what is the D value, right? The product of 2 least amount is the product of 2 least amount is 4623 is given, right? The product of the least means which 2 are very small number. A is whatever may be the number and minus D, this is the smaller number, and A is the smaller number. If we add D that is the biggest number. So we take as A minus D and A product of 2 terms is equal to 4623. Now multiply these terms and we know the value of A, right? A is given as 69. So 69 minus D into 69 is equal to 4623. So 69 minus D, I take this 69 to another side, so it is in the multiplication, so it turns to denominator. Okay, when we divide this by 3 2s are 3 3s are. When we divide by 3, we get 1541. Again, if you divide by this number by 23, 1541 divided by 23 is 6 times 18, remainder 1, 12, 13, 138. When you separate 6, 1, 6, right? 7 times 7 3 is 21, 1 remainder 7 is 14, 61, 61, 0. So 67 is the term. So 69 minus D is equal to 67. I want to find the value of D. I take this D to another side, 67 to this side. Minus 67 is equal to D. Then D is equal to 69 minus 67 is equal to 2. So D value is 2. So the amount given to her children's are, what are the amount? A minus D, right? That is the three constituent term, A plus D. Now in the place of A is 69, we have already found out that 69 minus 2 comma 69 and then 69 plus 2. Now subtract this 67, 69 and then 71. 67, 69 and 71. Add these three terms, what do you get? 207, yes or not? 67, 69 and then 71. 10, 17, 7 remainder 1. So 14, 60, 20, 207. So sum of this amount is 207. So we have find out with the correct answer. 67, 69 and 71 is the distribution of the amount by the mother to 3 children. Thank you, students.